classics on our restoration of our 1969 BSA Starfire. We've been quite busy getting all our smaller bits and pieces together, so I'll just run you through some things we've been doing. Starting at the back, we've got the chain guard now on. It was quite a job to try and get it all in and get it right, but that's now all in. We have things like side stands in, we have battery box all in with all its rubber mounts, and the tool tray also in. Moving on up, you can see we have the engine side casing now on. We have this polished, but it's to a matte finish because we prefer trying to keep it to a matte finish rather than the gloss mirror finish, which wasn't really sort of a factory part when it came out. It was more sort of a duller finish, which we have tried to keep here. Moving on up, we now have the carburetor in, an air filter in, the horn on, and the ignition coil in, and we also have things like the clutch and most of the ancillaries on here. Moving around the other side, which basically you can't see from where you are, but we also have the kickstart on now, the gear change. We're just putting the footrests on and getting them positioned correctly. Things we're still waiting on to come back to us is the front and back mudguard, which are at the chromers. Takes up to about 8 weeks to get it chromed professionally. We're now probably into about week 7, so hopefully next week that'll be back with us. We also have the electrics to put on. Most of the bits and pieces are here, so we can start putting that on. We're also waiting on the tank and the side panels, which have to be sprayed, and the seat is at the upholsterers, but we expect that back probably this weekend. We'll keep you posted on that. But all in all, as you can see, it's starting to take shape, and really we're hopeful in the next few weeks we should have tank on, all the other ancillaries on, the electrics on, and ready to roll off the stand, and you'll see the finalised project. So remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.